Hello, my crafty friends. Thank you for tuning in today as well. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. If you don't know me, I'm Lorena Wakefield, and I do videos for fun mostly on the weekend. But because I've got kind of a break because of Christmas, so I'm doing a bit more. But I will try to keep up the speed because I did the advent calendar once a day. It was quite a challenge, but it was fun, and I got a lot of new followers. Thank you so much, guys, and a lot of good feedback. So I'm gonna try to do more videos. So today we're gonna make actually not today. Today I just show you what I made a few days ago. Without actually do any voice, without recording the voice, I videos myself doing 2 cards using this two. That is the Glimmer of the Month for December 2024 and the BetterPress of the Month for December 2024. It basically mostly coloring, so I'm gonna speed up the video after. And I wasn't feeling very creative that day, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna foil these 2 kits. I'm gonna see if I do some coloring. I just pressed the record bottom of my camera just while I was coloring, but I was listening to a audiobook, very mindless coloring. And sometimes you make a card without even realize. I just wanted to do the coloring today, then the other day, but I end up making actually 2 cards, and I want to show them to you today. So I will be very speed up video. And the card I made with this kit, it was actually inspired by a card from Angela Brennan. That, if you don't know her, she is a card maker that lives in UK like me, and she is very prolific on card making. When she gets a kit, she makes thousands of cards, so it's a lot of inspiration. So I'm gonna list the video I took inspiration, basically I copy her card, let's face it, and I'll list the video down below, and her channel as well, so you can check her out. She's very, very good. And that's it. I hope you have fun, and I will see you at the end of the video. So this is the final. This one I left it as it was. This one I add some just recently some white gel accent on the flowers, and I think it looks better. I don't know. Hopefully, I mean it's, and I corrected the little mistake when I went over the line on my coloring. I correct with the white gel pen. Hopefully you can't really see the mistake now. I mean, actually I realized I need to correct these bits as well. I will do. But anyway, this is the two cards. Hope you like them, and make sure you check Angela Brennan, because as I said, she gave me a lot of inspiration, so hopefully she will help you as well. You probably know her already, but just in case, I'll link her below. And thank you so much again. I will see you soon with another video. I'm gonna make New Year's card for my landlord because he gave me a card and a little present as well for Christmas, and this is the first year I didn't give him his Christmas card, so I will make New Year's card for him, and with a little present, and I will just give it over the fence because he lives next door. Anyway, I'll thank you again. Thank you so much for tuning in, to watch the video, to like, subscribe if you didn't do so, and any comments you want to leave. I love the feedback, good or bad, doesn't matter. Is the bad one always help to improve. And thank you so much. I'll see you next video. That should be in a couple of days. Bye.